Brothers and sisters of this great nation, I come to you with news of expansion of our country. As you know, Texas has just joined our beloved nation, but we are entering troubling times with Mexico. As seen here on this map, which was drawn up in 1828, Mexico owned much of the land that we now see as Texas today. Although we have gained mass amounts of land for expansion, with our nation growing stronger and larger, we must keep going west. If we look at the vast amounts of land under the authority of Mexico, we ask ourselves, why do they have it? If they have not grown strong enough to make good use of this land, then we will make good use of it. The crossroads we are at with Mexico is where our land ends and theirs begins. If you look to this map, you will see the two rivers that the dispute is over. The United States has declared the border to be along the Rio del Norte, while Mexico wants it to be along the Nueces River. We have declared the Rio del Norte to be the border for several reasons. The first reason being that since the Rio del Norte is further west, we would be able to use the river Nueces for transportation of goods, as well as have a port city at Corpus Christi and all along the river. This would increase our commerce and allow for travel more easily. Secondly, the Rio del Norte River stretches over 1,800 miles, while the Nueces River is just over 300 miles. This would give us more land further west. Finally, if you look at this map, you will see the gold and silver mines that are found within the borders of the Rio del Norte. Considering the resources that have been found following the Colorado River, these resources must flow from the west, where we hope to find plentiful more. I support the Rio del Norte as the official border because it, like the United States, will continue to grow and prosper.